Hello, the festive season is almost here. With Dussehra, Diwali, Christmas and New Year's around the corner, it's the perfect time to plan your vacation. My name is Manvendra and I drive product innovation across the organization. In my 26 years of being in the industry and traveling to over 50 countries multiple times, I'm going to share some ideas with you which I'm sure you'll find extremely useful. The world is opening up. We have Egypt which is open, Turkey, Maldives, Dubai. However, my personal pick for a destination that has everything for everybody is Europe. What I want to do today is to break that myth that Europe is only a summer destination and not a winter destination. My personal favorite is Europe, and anybody who knows me knows every year that I travel to Europe between the months of October to December. I'm going to share 6 compelling reasons for you to travel to Europe now. Reason number 1 is the autumn and the fall season. So this is the season that starts about the mid of September and continues until about the mid of October. This is when all of Europe basically turn into orange and bright red. It's a spectacular sight, seeing the Champs-Élysées in Paris all bright and red and the plants and the trees have turned. Or you see the Swiss Alps, where when you go from down, you see red and orange and then the white snow. And this is across Europe. One of the most spectacular seasons to travel in Europe in terms of natural beauty. Reason number 2 is the Christmas markets. Towards the end of November, all the way till about the 3rd week of December, you have these gorgeous Christmas markets that spread across big cities, small cities, and villages. It's actually experiencing Christmas at its best, the true meaning of a white Christmas. Reason number 3 is the spectacular Northern Lights. The best time to see Northern Lights is between October to March, but my top pick is between October to December because the visibility is excellent and it's not too cold. So being in places like the Russian Lapland or being in places like the Finnish Lapland or in Iceland at this point of time is absolutely brilliant. Reason number 4 is the crowds and the weather. This is the time of the year where it's not bustling, crowded, so you have more time to enjoy places, more space to enjoy places, less standing in line, and not to miss out that the weather is absolutely fantastic. It's not too hot, not too cold between the months of October and November. So reason number 5. Amongst all the destinations that are open, Europe is one of the easiest destinations to go to. 1 is your visa processing times are extremely efficient and the visa processes are extremely efficient as well. 2 is to get to Europe, the process is very simple. All you need to do is get a PCR test that's 72 hours before you take your flight. And you have to download an app which is extremely simple. We are there to assist you, whether it's scheduling a PCR test as well as whether it is downloading an app which gives you free access all across Europe. Reason number 6 is that it's extremely safe to travel to Europe. All the countries that are currently open have only opened after monitoring vaccination program of their population. All the countries that are currently open have a very high rate of vaccination, double vaccination for their population. Also, our TravShield program has a very comprehensive insurance coverage which secures you during your travels to Europe. All the countries that are open in Europe today are implementing very effective safety measures, right from social distancing to limiting capacity in coaches to having limiting capacity in restaurants, which is all fantastic and makes you feel really, really safe. So again, as we approach the festive season, no better time like now. Enjoy the festivities of Europe, enjoy the beautiful fall and autumn in Europe. Travel, pack your bags and get in touch with us for any other questions. For any assistance or information that you may require for your travel to Europe, please contact us on the details given on the screen.